Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I look like crap, so I don't want to show myself, but today is Halloween. What? So today's Halloween and my mom bought her a costume of a deer. So I wanted to paint her face. I don't know, I just wanted to paint her face somehow. So this is perfect. It'll be quick and easy, and then I'll be doing her hair. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. Okay, let me put my hair up because I just fell asleep. Okay, so I don't know what to start off. I didn't really want to apply that much makeup on her because her face, you know, she's a cute little baby. But let me see, baby.
Cool.
Itches.
Oh.
But this is what I'm gonna use to moisturize her face, because you know all the makeup is gonna be applied, and it's really cold today, so I don't want her to go outside and have cracky skin. Let me see, baby. I'm gonna do your makeup.
My makeup.
She's she's currently watching YouTube. So man. Wow. No, I already put some. Oh, you want to put some? Okay, you guys. So she's gonna be adding a little bit more. Go. Okay, that's it. Ahorita. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a really light coverage foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the one that y'all always see me use, you guys. But this is like a light to medium coverage. So I'm not gonna put a lot of foundation on her because yeah, baby, because she don't need it. So I'm just literally tapping like this, and even if that, let me see. So I'm gonna just be adding it to her forehead area, because right here we're gonna add right here we're gonna add the bronzer. You'll see, you guys. So
oh no.
What? I'm doing your makeup, baby. Stop. Hurry. Guys, she wants to do her own makeup, so she's been a little cranky butt right now. But that foundation isn't light enough for the deer look, so I'm gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics. Look at her, she's mad already. BH Cosmetics concealer, and this is like the white one, so you can see like that's white. This is kind of what I was going for. Let me see, baby. Okay, I'm gonna add it right here. That's not toothbrush, baby.
No, it's
this concealer is really drying, you guys. So I want to blend it as fast as I can, because it will dry down the way it's set. With the James palette. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Or yeah, first I'm gonna go in with this one. No, I'm not sure. Let me see. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna go in with this one a little bit, and then I'm gonna go darken it up with that one.
Makeup.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the jumbo pencil. It looks like I contoured her face. And I'm gonna go in with the white one. Show you this little white thingamajigger, and I'm just gonna dot white all over her. turn to transform myself into a deer. I didn't get a costume this year, so I just decided to paint my face like the babies and just wear like all black instead. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. This is gonna be like the quickest, simple, easiest look ever. Don't mind this, you guys. Every time it gets cold or the weather changes like drastically, I always end up getting a cold sore, which freaking sucks. I always had them since I was little. But right now I'm just gonna moisturize my face because it's really cold outside. And my face is starting to get dry. But, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, you guys, so I won't be making this video so long. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I did everything off camera. I forgot that I was recording a video, but basically everything that I asked me do for the baby I did myself. I just did my eyebrows, and right now so basically I did the bronzer and I used the NYX jumbo pencil for the white. I need to do it on top of my forehead. Now I'm just going in with the BH Cosmetics highlighting palette, and I'm using this white shade, and I'm just gonna add that all over my lid to make it look more bright and open like the deers, you know. So this is what I'm doing. I also added a little bit of highlight down my bridge. What?
Open the door. Abby, open the door. It's Bola.
So like that, I added a little bit of highlight. Open the door. It's locked. Open the door, Abby.
No. Let me go.
And I'm gonna add I'm gonna go back into my bronzer and just put a little bit of that color in my crease.
No, let me over here, baby.
Add a little bit of eyeliner, and then I'm gonna apply lashes. Alright guys, I'm using these.
Give it back, girl.
I'm using these Halloween lashes by Miss. This is I don't know what they're called, but I don't know. It's these. I got them at the beauty supply, and these are in MG06. So they just look like that. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pop on my lashes, and then I'll be back real quick. Alright guys, so I forgot to close out the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little Halloween little tutorial. Say bye. Bye. Her face is already all off. Look, everybody. Say bye, everybody.
Wanna see my face, everybody?
Bye.
Bye.
Kissy.
Look guys, Alisa, show me.